Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the 24-inch giant folding knife wrench. Now, you can pick this one up from megaknife.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $142. I repeat, $142. Now, let me start by saying this. It's the weekend, so I decided to take a little break from tech and show y'all one of these different and unique products. Now, when I did the Louis Vuitton baseball bat, I asked y'all if y'all want to see more videos like that, and y'all said yes, so here we go. So here's what I'm going to do from now on. On the weekends, I'll take a little break from tech. We'll get back to the cooking videos, back to the sneaker videos, back to the liquor taste test videos, and shit like this. Cool, different, and unique products. All right, so let's get right into this. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my
White shoes.
shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. Now, like I said, you can pick this one up from megaknife.com. Now, this was one of those random impulse buys. You ever been scrolling on Instagram and you get one of these ads? And for some reason, I felt like I needed to have this. Now, y'all know I like big, beastly weapons and medieval devices. This fits right into my man cave. Okay, so this is the S-Tech 24-inch wrench tactical folding open pocket knife multi-tool. Now, this comes in black, silver, and red. All right, so let's read the description. This is a giant wrench multi-tool folding knife that is measured at 24 inches when open, featuring a sharp stainless steel blade measuring over 8 inches long, giggity, and beautiful anodized aluminum finished handle. Get this as a gift or keep it in your garage or your man cave to show off when necessary. Realistic and functional from cutting and wrenching. All right, so you're going to receive one knife. This is the perfect multi-tool for those who want something different and unique like me. All right, you got heavy and good quality. This is a folding blade, 440C stainless steel, anodized aluminum handle, over 24 inches long, closed is 16 inches, and the blade length is 8 inches. Now, on a side note, they recommend this other knife to me. This is the Tonto. Okay, so I had to pick that one too. This one is $70. This is a 8-inch black Tonto blade Commando OTF. Now, shout out to my man Zach from Zach Stuff, okay? He's getting me officially anointed into the knife community. Now, as of right now, I only got one real knife. This is my Medford knife, okay? This is the only real knife that I got, but I'm working with Zach Stuff, okay? And he's going to bring me into the knife community and get me up on some real knives, not this shit like this, okay? So, Zach, I know y'all real knife community heads, y'all home cringing right now. This is just for fun, okay? This is just for fun. Okay, so let's take a look at the Tonto first. Now, I wanted one of these push-button knives. I actually never seen it until I seen it on Zach's channel. And I was like, well, I don't have one of these. Let's make sure I'm doing this right. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. See, I need something like this. Now, I'm going to be honest with y'all. I know a lot about tech, but I don't know shit about knives. Y'all see my zombie killer knife video? I only get knives that look medieval and crazy. You know, I'm not a real knife connoisseur, which I'm trying to become now. And when I was watching the Zach Stuff video, shoes don't get poked. I was watching the Zach Stuff video. I seen these push button knives. This is what I need to have for my EDC. Okay, for my everyday carry, I need something like this. So when the shit pops off, I can get to it with either hand. This is a nice construction on this. Now, I'm pretty sure the real ones, y'all real knife connoisseurs, they're probably gonna go for $300, $400, $500, $600. This one was $70. This was just like an introductory level. Now, the button is a little bit hard to press. I guess I gotta get used to it. But I think when the shit hits the fan, it'll be easier for me to. What if I go like this and I miss this? Like, that would be devastating. If I gotta quickly poke somebody, I need to just press the button, get the poking. All right? All right, so I'm going to use this for the unboxing of the 24-inch giant folding knife wrench. Okay, this is actually going to be my new little unboxing knife. I like this one already. Okay, here we go. S-Tech. Now, I did all of that, and I missed the, okay, yeah, I got to get used to this. One more. I like that. I just like doing this shit. It's a little bit hard, though. Gotta be easier than this. This is too hard. Yeah, this is too hard. All right, Zach, I'm gonna need some recommendations. Maybe the Benchmade. I don't know. Okay, now check this out. Whew, look at this. Look at this beast right here. Now, this is actually a working wrench. Now, I don't really be wrenching too much shit, but, you know, maybe you could just use it as the wrench part just to go upside somebody's head if you have to. You know, but this looks like a regular wrench. It does work. But look at the actual knife. Look at this. Look at the length of this. Now, let me let that sink in for a minute. On a side note, let me show y'all. Now, like I said, y'all know I like medieval stuff. Y'all remember the custom-made Louis Vuitton baseball bat with the barbed wire shoes? You better back up off this one. You don't want this. All right, shoes, calm down. All right, this is the barbed wire on this one. I'm going to show y'all one more. All right, shoes, This is another Louis Vuitton baseball bat. All right, look at the barbed wire on this, the rusty barbed wire. Now, shout out to the home invaders. They haven't picked my house yet, so I haven't had a chance to really test this out. But any would-be criminals, okay, if you try to pull a home invasion, you might get a nice designer. You might get a nice designer welcome. You better hope you don't get this welcome right here. Look at this now. This is ultra heavy. All right, I want to see if I can flick this. Hold up, shoes. I need you to fall back for me. Yo, let me try to do that again. Hold up now. This is ultra heavy. Ain't really no flicking that one open like that. I didn't realize it was gonna be this heavy. Back here working up a sweat. This is crazy. All right, this is a full-size wrench. Look, but the weight on this, bro. Let me see if this is actually sharp. Whoa, it's definitely sharp. Now, the blade itself might not be the sharpest in the world, but the point is definitely sharp. This is... If y'all watched Forged in Fire, y'all know my man Doug Marcaida. As he would say, it will kill. This will definitely do some damage. Now, personally, I'm not buying this for a weapon or nothing like that. I'm buying this to put in my man cave. This is one of those conversation starters. Let me see. Can I even close this shit? Hold up. You gotta do this up close. Hold on a second. Okay, yeah. Woo. Yeah, this thing, maybe because it's new, I got to get used to it. But that's how it looks closed up. This is a beast. All right, this is a beast. Like I said, on the weekends, let me know in the comments if y'all want to see some more stuff like this. Okay? This thing right here, this button is too hard. It's too hard to get up and down. All right? I'm going to say, don't buy this one. Unless maybe you got to break it in. I don't know. But maybe that's the difference between the cheap ones and the really expensive ones. It shouldn't be this hard. Giggity. That's 2 in 1 video. All right, that's enough. Anyway, this is the 24-inch. Now, this one is crazy. Yeah, you could definitely flick this open. And again, it's a real wrench. Okay, it's a real wrench. I'm pretty sure if I'm walking around with this thing in my back pocket, just sticking out my back pocket like this, nobody's gonna know what's on the other end until it's time to get to poking. Anyway, I just wanted to say that again. Anyway, this is the 24-inch giant folding knife wrench. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.